our 110 volt bone meat saw. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a depth of at least 18.5 inches, a length of 17 3/8. Overall height, you'll have at least 34 3/4 inches. Main features for the area to cut your meats will be a retractable side panel, a retractable cover that can be released and adjusted, and with the release of the safety cover, the slab of meat can be inserted here. Adjust the compression of how thick of the slab the meat is. So that way, this acts as a guide for sawing and cutting your meats. So again, on the side here, can be retracted to accommodate the main cover and plate for the slab of meat that you're cutting and sawing. Measurement for the retractable area, right here, we're looking at least 8 3/4 inches. The measurement for the saw, we have at least 10 inches. Coming to the side is your standard 110, 120 voltage connection and your power and off switch. And coming to the bottom will be your schematics for this bone meat saw and the ETL certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.